Welcome to JST Tech, where precision meets innovation in CNC machining. Specializing in 3-axis, 4-axis, and 5-axis solutions, we transform raw materials into complex components for industries worldwide. 3-axis machining. 3 linear axes X, Y, Z move perpendicularly to create 2D or basic 3D parts. Ideal for flat surfaces, slots, and holes, perfect for prototypes or simple components. 4-axis machining adds a rotational axis A or B to 3-axis systems, enabling contouring and helical cuts. Ideal for gears, impellers, and parts requiring angular precision. 5-axis machining with 2 rotational axes or B or C and 3 linear axes, it mills from any angle. Complex aerospace components, medical implants, and robotics parts, we've got you covered. Our technology minimizes setup times, maximizes material efficiency, and ensures micron-level accuracy. Whether you need high-volume production or custom solutions, JST Tech delivers where precision is non-negotiable. Subscribe for more tech deep dives. Hit the bell for updates on CNC innovations. JST Tech, redefining precision engineering.